Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's 11. I'm sorry. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's 11 o'clock in the night, and I just came now. I just wanted to vlog, and I just want to unbox one of the best things. What we have future plans, what we are actually planning to, what we actually wanted to do. We are saving money for that, and we are purchasing day by day. So I just booked this. I think so. Everybody knows this. It's ORAZO riding gear. It's a shoes. I just got this for 3,799 rupees. I just got it today morning from post office. I have not opened it yet, and I'll open it now. I'll start opening now. Let's unbox this now. So, ORAZO, I've got this riding gear, and I'll show you how this actually looks like. I will start opening this, and I've got very good reviews regarding this through many of the platforms. And packing is very good. There's some tapes and all. This it's not coming actually. We'll check. Give me a sec. I don't have knife for right now. I'm gonna take this pen. I'm gonna take this pen, wrap it out. And I'm tearing this. So this is the bill. This is the bill from ORAZO. I've got this bill, and now this is the riding boot. This is actually cool. So this is huge. Quality is also very good. It has got steel in front of the toes. If you can focus things, steel in front of the toes, and orange color finish inside. Orange color finish, and they've just told me they've got some reflectors. I think so. These are the reflectors here. This is the branding. These are the branding. I feel like it is very sturdy. There's a velcro here. There is a velcro here, and I've just opened this up and just two directions. So if you can see here, there is some sort of packing here also. It's a very good leather, I believe. It's a good leather. It's a good leather, and bottom soles are very good. It's very hard, and that's it. I'll wear this and I'll show it to you. Now I'm wearing this. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable wearing inside, and feels very good. But I don't know what it feels when I walk. And I put it for the left leg. Yes, it's really good. It went inside easily. My size was 9. I got this for 9. Yes, it's pretty awesome. I feel a bit of tightness over here, but I think so. It feels good, really good. And again, steel toes. If you have a ORAZO branding here at the front, you can walk easily. Feel sturdy. Boots are very good, strong enough, and I don't know whether it reflects. These parts are reflecting or not. I don't know. If you can notice in the video, you can just check. I feel really comfortable on this wearing the riding pants. I do recommend this brand in order to buy whoever is going for the long rides. and I would really recommend this. This actually tells you about what our plans are. So we are planning for the big ride, not we. I'm planning for the big ride. I'll be letting you know later on. It's actually far later on. It's almost 5 to 6 months later on. I'm planning. We are just planning to purchase all this gas properly and do purchase this. So I just got this within 3 days.